Hello and welcome to Acorn Stairlifts and this series of videos explaining our products and services in more detail, and more importantly, how we help our customers stay in the home they love. As the world's leading stairlift provider, we need to make sure our products are at the forefront when it comes to safety and quality. That's why we put so much time and effort into R&D, research and development. Since 1992, Acorn has strived to set new standards in the mobility industry. We are constantly researching new advancements in technology so we can develop solutions that make our stairlifts better for the end user. We've also made it our policy to keep manufacturing here in the UK, with our factories and assembly plants located in West Yorkshire and Scotland. Currently, we export to more than 80 countries worldwide, which means our product has to be good, and it is. We listen carefully to what our customers say and use their feedback to make sure they receive a product of the highest quality and safety standards. This enables our stairlifts to remain at the forefront of the market. To find out more about Acorn Stairlifts, feel free to give us a call.